Hey everyone, I'm back. So we're officially on week 3 of our online art class. So you should be in the week 3, April 6th through 10th section of the classwork. Our first assignment is part 1, texture hunt. So we're going to be exploring texture and how it's used in art and how it can add interest. And we are going to be going on a scavenger hunt. So in your home or outside in your yard or patio, I want you to photograph at least 6 different textures that you find. Here I have an example of 6 textures that I found in my home and outside. Now in reality, everything has a texture. If you can touch it, it has a texture. So for example, I took a photo of a basket. Here's a bowl, flowers, wood, fabric. So you are going to go around and photograph 6 different textures that you find. Make sure that your texture fills up your whole photo. Make sure your photo is nice and clear so you can actually see what it is. So you're going to be making a collage. To do that, there's different ways. You can make a Google slideshow like I did, and you can put them on a Google document, or if you have a photo collage app on your phone or device, you can use that as well. To do a slideshow, you're going to click on Add or Create, and here on the drop-down menu you have Documents or Slides. I personally believe Slide is the easiest. So it's automatically going to create your own personal slide. It's going to have your name on it as well as the title. I think it's best to start out with a blank layout, and then from here you can insert a image either using this icon or you can do the Insert tab. You can upload it from your computer or device, or if you have your photos saved in Drive, you can do that as well. I'm going to do computer. Click on your image and it will automatically place it on there. Now you may have to resize your photos just so that you can fit 6 different photos on your slideshow. And then just continue doing the same thing until you have all 6 photos. And the slide automatically saves. So all you do is just X out of it. It's okay to leave. And then here, your work is already there for you, so you can press turn in. To do a document, it's the same exact way. It creates a document that's already titled, and then from there you can insert your photos and resize them so that you can fit them. Here you can press insert here and do image, or there's also an image icon over here as well. It saves automatically, so here you have your work. Now if you do not have a camera and you cannot take photos, go ahead and stay on this video. I'll show you an easy way to do that. Now on the texture slides over here, after you watched it, I gave you instructions that you can do a Google search. You can actually do a Google search in the Google Slides. I'll show you how to do that. Again, we're going to start out with a blank layout. Now when you press on the image icon, you can do search the web. Now I'll give you different examples on what to search, like wood, metal, weaving. Then you're going to click on the one that you like, insert it, and then you can resize so that you can fit all 6 of your images. After you've done that, you just X out and it's complete. Then press turn in, and that's all to it, guys. Well, I hope you enjoy. Have fun. If you have any questions, leave a comment or find me in Google Hangouts. You guys take care. Bye.